Do you need something other than attention? Why are you upside down? Y'all are some attention whores. It's not your turn to get out, dude. I wanted to size reference how big this cat is compared to most cats. It doesn't seem like much on camera, but it's a lot. She's 18 pounds. Oh, don't swipe at me. And then she is 2. Yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Who's hissing or growling? Stop it. Oh my God. Crackheads. They're related. Hey, baby. Y'all are some meanies. No, you're back in your cage because you was being ugly. So stop it. Scratching to get out of this. You didn't just attack 5 cats. I thought that was Macy. I'm being viciously attacked. Help. Send the police.